So, hello everyone, welcome to Forge and What's your one stop solution. So, today we are going to discuss three important hiring which is from the Google site, as you can see on your screen. First is Web Solution Engineer, University Graduate 2025. Second hiring is Technical Solution Consultant 2025, and the third one is Data Scientist, which is for Master or PhD holder candidates. So let's discuss one by one. So let's come to this first one, which is Web Solution Engineer hiring. So as you can see, the location mentioned here above here, like these villa hirings are mostly for, mainly for Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Gurgaon location. So coming to the minimum qualification which is required for this position, so as you can see, the minimum qualification required is a bachelor degree in computer science or any equivalent degree like EC is also allowed, and you must have experience, coding with either of these languages like Java, CPP, or Python. Uh, Along with that, you must have touch on SQL, technical designing, along with that troubleshooting, stakeholder management, etc. But preferred qualification also is mentioned from the Google end, which is bachelor degree in computer science. They will prefer you to have a degree in computer science or related field only. Along with that, they will expect you to have knowledge on server related domains like DMPs, DSPs, along with web and analytics. And of course, you should have excellent project management and leadership skills along with problem solving skills. And they are also expecting a very good business communication skill, both verbal and written. So these all were the all about web and web solution engineer role. And responsibilities you can check from here as mentioned. So you can just read through it once. And yeah, that's it about this opening. Let's move to the other one now, which is technical solution consultant role. So this role is basically more like data analytics or data science role, where you can just read the responsibility about the job section, and or else you can just read it here that you have to work with the developing automation and reporting tools. Like tools are basically like you have like for example you have to use Power BI, Tableau, or other BI tools. So responsibilities like analyzing large data sets and all, working with large data sets to derive solutions for the clients. Along with that, also they are also expecting you to have a very good communication and stakeholder management skill, because you will be involved with communicating with external clients from all over the world. So you must have that communication skill along with reporting skill that you saw, which is very important for this particular role. And let's see the minimum qualification required for this role. So of course, they require you to have a bachelor degree in equivalent practical experience. If you have a practical experience in this particular field, then it will be an added advantage. So also they are expecting you to have experience in SQL, technical design, troubleshooting, stakeholder management, data analytics. As I mentioned, that it's basically like kind of data analytics role, and also Python and data visualization is basically drawing insights with the help of visuals, which is called as data visualization. So they are expecting you to have this skill. This can be done with the help of Python or Power BI, Tableau, or even with Excel. So it all depends on the company requirement. And preferred qualification also they have mentioned, as you can see over here, like they are asking you this Tableau and Looker Studio, like which is a visualization tool as I mentioned. And they are expecting you to have a very good presentation skill. And along with that, they are also expecting you to have SQL workflow management experience, and yeah, Python, oops, etc. So these all were the requirement, all about technical solution consultant role at Google. And the location is same as that of web solution engineer, which is Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Gurgaon. So let's come to the third important hiring, which is data scientist university graduate hiring 2025. So this job is only open for Bengaluru location, and this is for the person who has completed at least master degree in either of statistics, biostatistics, operation research, physics, economics, applied mathematics, or similar discipline. So you must have completed your master degree in this particular discipline only, and you must have statistical software touch, like for example R, Python, S plus, SAS. This R, Python, everyone know, I guess. These both are programming languages. SAS is basically a tool which you use in healthcare analytics. So they are expecting you to have these many knowledges. Also, they are expecting you to have internship work experience with data experience. So you must have experience with data science related role. And since the master role is a minimum requirement, so you must have done either of these courses. Along with that, they are also expecting they have also mentioned some preferred qualification, which is like having a PhD degree in statistics or other related role that you can see over here. And if you have experience with statistical data analysis such as linear model or multivariate analysis, and also they're expecting you to have very good experience with machine learning concepts or working on large data sets. So yeah, this is all about that. And also as you can see that it's written over here that you have to ability to data conclusions. It basically means that you should have that experience or ability to draw conclusion from the data, like how very good data analytics or data scientists are able to do. Like you must have that much skill sets to apply for to be eligible for this particular role. So these are all about data scientist university graduate role at Google.